Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can show your profile photos only to your contacts on the Telegram app for PC, using the latest update. This is a simple but very useful feature, especially if you want to keep control of your privacy and choose exactly who gets to see your photos. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're already logged in so that you can get straight into the settings. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the 3 horizontal lines. This will open up the main menu, where you can find all the important options. Next, from the menu, click on Settings. Once you're in Settings, go ahead and choose Privacy and Security. This is the section that controls who can see your information, your activity, and of course, your profile photos. Inside the Privacy and Security menu, look for the option called Profile Photos. Click on it and you'll see a few choices. By default, Telegram may allow everyone to see your profile photos. But if you only want your contacts to have access, select the option that says My Contacts. This means only the people you've saved in your Telegram contacts will be able to view your profile images, blocking strangers from seeing them. After you've selected My Contacts, don't forget to save your changes. You can do this by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Once it's saved, your preferences will be applied immediately, and your privacy settings will be updated according to your choice. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've successfully set your profile photos so that only your contacts can see them on Telegram. This feature is a great way to take control of your online privacy while still allowing friends and family to recognize you easily. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to try it out on your own Telegram app and enjoy more control over your profile. Thanks for watching.